YouTubers, what's going on? I'm Christopher from the Lucy Gray's channel, and today I'm going to be showing you all around this 2010 Toyota Camry LE. Gonna do a brief walk around look. The back. If I see anything that's bad about any problems with it, or I'll try and point them out. It's got custom tires. It's got a small scratch as seen right here. This headlight's very clear, but that one over there is really hazy. A couple of rock chips. But there's a dent right there. So, I'll go ahead and get started on the vehicle. So on the outside, it's got a black exterior. Has the ash cloth interior. Love the texture. Has power seats. Very soft, very durable. Audio controls are right here. Cruise controls over there. Horn. Okay. Storage. Power mirror controls. Traction control off. Hood release. Parking brake. Chrome handle. Locks. Window lockout. Windows. Storage net. Speaker. Air vents. I believe that's another speaker. The headliner is very soft, almost like a cloth material, and the pillars are plastic. As air vents, look at that, a breeze refreshener. Climate control, fan speeds, temperature zones, this, that, and that. Storage over there, and over there. Storage area. Power outlet, auxiliary input. Okay. You have 12-volt power outlet and some storage, cup holders. Let me take this out. Storage in here, but it has a little hole. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Interior lights. Don't need a light for this one. They're not adjusted. This visor's torn out, so bear with me. Glasses container. Okay, the steering wheel's urethane wrapped. It's very nice. And so, let's go and turn the headlights. It's got 12,000 miles. Hazards. And the gauges look nice. And I'll go ahead and show you all the exterior. There could be a storm happening. If you guys hear some wind. It has halogen headlights, by xenons. I love the grille. The wheels, Michelin tires, very good amount of tread. I love the flares. Pop the fuel cap. Place to set your cap. LED taillights in the back. It's got the LE logo. The license plate lights are underneath there. Okay, now I'm going to show the engine. First, switch these off. Pop the hood. Let me show the engine. Set these down here. Come on. It's got a 2.5 liter VVTi 4-cylinder. This is gonna be loud. Very loud. Okay. Now, after showing the interior, okay, sorry about that. Interior build quality, the upper panel material, soft touch material, nice cloth material, and storage down below. The dashboard is a soft touch material. It's most likely fiberglass. Security system and passenger airbag indicator. Ugh, okay. I'll show you the back seat. Okay. Rear seat mat pockets. Storage net right there. Armrest with cup holders. Oops. Dome light. And also child seat anchors. Automatic curved windows. I just wanted to put up a shade. Pop the trunk. The storage space is very good. Seats are 60-40 split folding. Show you what it means. Just like that. A little light down below. Your emergency release. Although the goosenecks are inside, but they do crush your bags. Same fashion. Seats. Very, very supportive. The passenger seat is fully manual. That's the sun visor. Speaker storage. Glove box. And the visor here has a card. Mirror with no light. All three passengers, including the driver, get a grab handle. The windows and locks. Nice car. Well, everybody, thanks for watching my video of the 2010 Toyota Camry LE. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Oh.